Welcome to Vellore Institute of Technology. Thank you for your interest in selecting VIT for your higher education. VIT has launched application for BTech Engineering Program VT 2024 at our official website www.vit.ac.in. Click on to the VT 2024 Apply Now button. The application link contains detailed information about VT, application process, campus-wise programs offered, admission guidelines which includes admission process, eligibility, selection criteria, exam pattern, syllabus, important dates, VIT placement highlights, and FAQs. For any assistance, find the helpline contact number and support email ID. Please beware of VIT fake websites and visit only www.vit.ac.in for admissions. Now let us guide you on filling the application process. Select Register for new users to provide primary details as requested. Enter your name in full as same as registered with your school. Please note that the date of birth for eligibility should be on or after 1st July 2002. Please enter your gender. For residential status, the applicants under the general category must be either a resident or non-resident Indian, PIO or OCI. Selecting NRI or PIO or OCI as nationality will not impact the admission category. They will be treated on par as general category only. Next, enter valid mobile number for OTP verification. For registered abroad mobile numbers, the OTP will be sent to the registered email ID. Ensure your email information is accurate for a seamless verification process. It is necessary to register with a single valid email ID as it will be the primary mode of communication throughout the admission process. Please do not register with multiple email IDs to avoid difficulties in remembering the correct email ID used for registration. Enter the verification code provided. Click on the refresh button next to it to generate an easier code of verification. After completing these steps, proceed to register yourself. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your registration. Now click I authorize VIT to use my mobile number, email ID, connected social media platform overriding DND status. This authorization allows VIT to use the contact details you provide for important updates. It also enables us to connect with you through social media platforms. This is solely for communication related to your application and admission. Now click the register button which will take you to the OTP verification. After entering the correct OTP, your login credentials with the application number will be sent to your registered email address. Please check your email promptly for the login details. This application number is important for future reference and further correspondence. For any corrections while filling the application form, it can be carried out using the edit option which is available at the final stage of application process. Now please click into the Login tab and fill in your registered email ID and password. Kindly check your registered mail ID for the login credentials. Enter the verification code again and click the Login button. Your password is verified and now you get into the VT 2024 BTech admission section. Read the information guidelines and click on the application form link in the left side of the page. Read the declaration and click on the tick box after reading the information brochure. Once you click Submit, you will get into the applying process of VT 2024. Your application number is already generated and is sent to your registered email ID. Fill in the details properly. Your address of correspondence should be filled correctly. Once you enter the PIN code of your region, the system will automatically fill your state and district name. Please fill in other details and click on the Save and Next button. Next, you have to enter your school information like medium of instruction, mode of study, school PIN code. Please note, the application form supports only Indian PIN codes. For NRI applicants who reside and studying abroad, Enter a placeholder of 6 zeros for the PIN code and continue to fill out the other required fields as applicable. Once you enter the PIN code, the place and district of your school will be filled automatically by the system. Please enter the name of the board and the name of your school. Also, fill in address of your school and the year you passed your 12th board exam. Choosing the test city preference is very important. In case of change of test city to abroad test center, the difference amount has to be remitted. Please check carefully with the available city and fill it. Next, enter the choice of subjects. Under MPCA, Math stream candidates are eligible for all the BTech programs. And under BPCA, Biology stream candidates are eligible only for BioStream programs. Also select the option How did you come to know about VT? After filling the form, click on the Save and Next tab again. Next you will get into the payment page. As you can see, the payment gateways are mentioned: PayUBiz or Paytm. Proceed with the choices accordingly. You have to pay INR 1350 as a VT entrance fee in the selected payment options. Suppose you click the Paytm option, you will get other choices such as payment through debit or credit cards or net banking and other options. Please select accordingly. Service charges will be applicable if you are paying through debit or credit cards or net banking. Once the payment is successful, SMS will be sent and it is acknowledged on the screen. Next, it takes you to the upload section. Soft copy of your photo and signature has to be uploaded. Please note, only applicant's photo and signature as per the specification given must be uploaded. Avoid taking pictures of already printed passport photos or attempting to use mobile phone images, as our system may not accept them. Therefore, before uploading your photo and signature, please carefully read the instructions provided. Now, your application details are submitted successfully. Please use the download option to download the filled-in application and save for your future reference and further correspondence. Edit option is available only at this stage. It would be possible to edit your application only after making the payment and uploading photo and signature. Your VT 2024 application form is completed. All the very best for your entrance exam.